Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's January 2nd, 2026, and we're kicking off the new year with a bang in the markets. I'm your host, and today we're diving into the hottest tech and market stories from the past 24 hours, pulled from all the big players like WSJ, CNBC, Yahoo Finance, and more. The vibe? Optimistic start to the year, but with some real drama in EVs and AI. Markets closed mostly higher today, Dow and S&P up, Nasdaq a bit mixed, and chip stocks are leading the charge. Let's break it down in a chill, straightforward way. First off, the big headline everyone's talking about. BYD has officially overtaken Tesla as the world's largest seller of all-electric vehicles. Yeah, you heard that right. BYD sold over 2.26 million EVs in 2025, while Tesla came in at about 1.66 million. That's Tesla's second straight year of declining deliveries, down around 9%. Ouch! Tesla's Q4 numbers missed expectations pretty badly. 418,000 deliveries versus hopes for over 440K. On the flip side, BYD is crushing it with scale and cheaper options, especially leveraging that Chinese supply chain advantage. Look, I've been following Tesla for years, and this stings a bit if you're a bull. Elon's story is shifting from pure EV dominance to robotics, autonomy, and AI. Think robotaxi and Optimus. But competition is fierce now, and demand seems to be cooling in some spots. That said, Tesla's still innovating like crazy, and Norway just hit 96% EV market share with Tesla leading there. So, not game over, but definitely a wake-up call. Investors might want to watch how Tesla pivots in 2026. Shifting gears to semiconductors, what a way to start the year. Chip stocks are rallying hard, with names like Micron, Intel, and AMD leading the pack after a third straight winning year. Data center plays are exploding too. Smaller ones like CoreWeave and Applied Digital up double digits today. AI demand is the rocket fuel here. Everyone's betting on more infrastructure spend. NVIDIA's ecosystem is massive, with heavy investments in startups building the next wave of AI tools. And Baidu? Their stock jumped over 11% on news they're spinning off their AI chip unit, Kunlunsen, for a Hong Kong listing. Chinese tech is flexing, KWEB ETF up nicely in pre-market. AI itself is everywhere. We're seeing a move from pure hype to real pragmatism in 2026. Companies focusing on practical applications rather than just buzz. OpenAI's going big on audio and voice interfaces, while Musk's Grok is fixing some safeguard issues after a bit of a PR hiccup with inappropriate content. Regulators are watching closely. India even stepped in on X about Grok. Ethical stuff matters as this tech scales. Broader market notes, gold and silver are surging to start the year. Commodities like copper up on tight supply outlooks. Energy and utilities led today, while some tech lagged a touch. Rotation happening? Mag 7 mostly underperformed the S&P in 2025, so diversification chatter is back. CES 2026 is coming up fast. Expect a ton of AI and consumer tech reveals that could move stocks. Oh, and quick shout out to Warren Buffett officially stepping down at Berkshire. Greg Abel takes the reins. Classic smooth transition. Shares dipped a bit, but golden cross forming technically. Iconic era ending, but Berkshire's built to last. Overall, folks, 2026 is starting with solid momentum in tech, especially AI and semis, but EVs are showing cracks in the growth story. Valuations are stretched in spots, so stay nimble. Quick risk reminder before we wrap. Markets swing on tech charts, headlines, macro data, and big institutional flows. News is just one piece. Never trade solely on it.